Such a drone can aim artillery from long distances without getting into the enemy's air defense zone. In the south of Ukraine, the artillery of the armed forces of Ukraine continues to strike at the Russian military. A Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drone corrects Ukrainian artillery fire. Such a drone can aim artillery from long distances without getting into the enemy's air defense zone. The harder the battles and the longer the war, the more the infantry forces and the whole army rely on artillery. And in modern conditions, on UAVs too, said in the video. Recently, the Militarny informed that Bayraktar TB2 destroyed a Russian artillery fire control point and 220mm rocket-propelled grenade launcher. It will be recalled that Bayraktar TB2 recently destroyed a Russian artillery fire control point. Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, male class, medium altitude long endurance, by Baykar Makina Company. It is a result of unmanned aerial vehicle tactical development project started in 2007 by Turkey's Defense Industry Undersecretariat. The completed drone prototype, designated PT-1, with TCERB registration, ascended to its maiden flight on May 3, 2014. Just a month later, on June 14, the plane climbed to a record height of 8,238 meters, with a full load. On August 5 to 6, 2014, the aircraft successfully completed the flight endurance test. It remained in the air for 24 hours and 34 minutes, and during this time, the machine traveled 4,040 kilometers, reaching a flight altitude of 5,486 meters. The Bayraktar TB2 was presented to the public for the first time during the Istanbul Airshow 2014, September 25 to 28 this year. The following month, on November 17, trials began on the completed operational kit consisting of 6 aircraft and 2 control stations. The tests were aimed at getting to know the parameters of the system and its compatibility with the requirements of the contracting authorities of the Turkish Armed Forces. As the trials were a full success, the first set of drones was officially handed over to the recipient on November 22, 2014. Another set was delivered to the Turkish Armed Forces on June 16, 2015. The basic type of weapon adapted to be carried by the TB2 is the MAML, Mini Akili Mohammed Laser, version of the soaring guided missiles. After dropping, it's able to reach a moving target up to 8 kilometers from the vector or 14 kilometers from it, after installation of an inertial navigation system, linked to the GPS system. The second, dedicated TB2 gliding missile, is the MAM Sirit, which is able to pierce a 200mm RHA steel of medium hardness. Plus open documents PDF, TXT, Doc, X, EPUB, ODs, ODD, Pages, PPT, X, PNG, JPEG.